You already know that in FreeCAD we will be working in the Part Design module using the Sketcher module. To start a new project in the Part Design module, we select this module and click this icon, or simply click the Parametric Part button. We have started a new project in the Part Design module, and what's worth noting is that a body type object has been created here. We will return to this shortly, but in this lesson I want to briefly discuss customizing the interface to your needs. You already know how we can change the theme. You could use the light theme or the dark theme. I am using the classic theme here. We have selected the Blender navigation style, which we will also discuss shortly. Now, regarding the user interface, my interface looks like this. If you want to customize the interface to your needs, you can change the position of these icons, or you can hide some of these icons. As for changing the position of these icons, they are grouped into certain categories. To change the position of a selected group of icons, we click on those dots and drag the group of icons to another place. If these icons are not visible here and you would like them to be visible, or if you want to disable these icons, click here with the right mouse button and you have the individual groups of icons here. If I disable the Part Design Modeling icon group now, some of these icons will disappear and they will not be visible in this menu, and if you want to enable them, right-click and select the desired icon group so that it is visible. As for the commands that are under the icons, we will very often use these commands, so it's worth having these commands available in the icons. If some command is not visible here, or if you don't want these icons in this place, all commands are also available in the drop-down menu. The drop-down menu bar is not visible in the recording, but I have now expanded the Part Design menu, and here we have the commands that are available under the icons. In the Part Design menu, the tools of this module are available, which we can use during 3D modeling of parts in the Part Design module. However, in most cases we will use these basic commands, so it's worth having these commands available under the icons.